Hi guys, welcome to another PKTV Productions. This is the fourth generation of the Fossil Q Explorist Edition Wear OS watch. This will set you back in Australia about $469 AUD, including tax of course and the price tag, but you can get it for 10% off now for $422 Australian. That's less than $300 US dollars if you want to take that into account. Right, so let's take a look at this particular thing and see what's in it. Now this is the stainless steel model out of the collection from Fossil. This is one of the first 2018 watches that comes with the new Wear OS 1.5 features. Include a digital crown as well as the other two buttons. Plus you have the added bonus of NFC for Google Play support, where when paired to both an Android phone and an iPhone, yes, you heard correctly, to an iPhone, actually can use Google Play using the iPhone with this watch. Other features to mention: built-in GPS, heart rate monitor, wireless charging, rapid charging, water resistance, customizable, dials, etc, etc. Let's take a look at the watch. Okay, so I opted for the version with the stainless steel band, as you can see right there for Fossil. It's in the silver. And let's take a look at near the Apple Watch. So this is first generation Apple Watch, right next to Gen 4. As you can see, both stainless steel, both looking quite nice, except one is round and one isn't. Of course, we have the heart rate monitor at the back there, as you can see. And of course, rapid charging, and this is really fast charging on a smartwatch. Okay, let's boot her up. So for the first time, so we're on a magnetic charger, very similar to what the Apple Watch has. It's very similar. We're going to hook it up to an Android phone, so we open up the Wear OS app and we'll go through the general setup, and I'll leave it to that. Right, so I've had it adjusted for my wrist. As you can see right here, all the links have been taken out. This is the screen of it fully turned on one of the mechanical faces, as you can see right there. We've got our digital crown at the side there. It works really great, so you can tap to obviously get to your menu, and you can scroll using the digital crown, and it feels absolutely great. If you've ever used an Apple Watch, you'll know this feeling very well. It works really well. A lot of Android Wear users would not be used to it, but it's very, very useful. You got the general settings as you do from previous versions of Android Wear. You've got your settings also. If we scroll down here, we can go into connectivity, and we can see, if I can get back into there, we can press on one of the side buttons there, so it goes into Google Active. As you can see, it does heart rate, it does calories per day, that type of stuff, depending on how you configure it. That's pretty much how it's going to work. Now if we head back, and the top button, it's for customizable Fossil X social stuff, as far as I'm aware, but I haven't set that up or played around with it as yet. So if we head back to the menu, you can see there's Google Pay and all the others. We'll head down into settings, and we will take a look at a few options. You see we've got NFC, so that's for Android Pay, Google Pay I mean. You got your Wi-Fi, you got Bluetooth 5.0, and now if we scroll through and look at all these apps that we have, a lot of it is stuff that I actually came up with, but Google Maps is great to have on this with the inbuilt GPS. So it does actually trigger location, which is brilliant, and it does actually find you, so that's pretty good. Alright, from previous versions of Android Wear, if you hold in the side, you'll get to the Google Assistant, and you can ask it what the weather is and various other things, and you'll get the same sort of responses, but that's pretty much the watch in a nutshell. I'll catch you guys later on the next PKTV video. Bye.